Welcome to my channel. In a previous video, I was showing how I placed the power supply unit of my Ender-3 Pro at the bottom, but I have decided to improve it and design a new version I'm going to show you in this video. I have opted for a new version for two main reasons. First, these two supports that hold the power supply unit are not strong enough, and through time they got loose and the power supply unit started shaking. Second, this version requires a lot of clearance at the bottom of the printer, which does not look very nice. To fix those issues, in this new version, the power supply unit will be held by two mounts placed on both sides of the frame at the back of the printer under the Y-axis motor. First, we have printed these two mounts that we use to place the PSU on the frame. We remove the supports. Now I'm going to connect the power button. Now I place the power button on the mount. I had two screws to keep it in place. Now I screw the Y connections on the power supply unit. Now I put the mount in place. And I screw it on the power supply unit. to place the second mount. And I'm going to screw it in place. This step I add is just for personal reasons. It's facultative. You're not obliged to put that. And this is the job. Now I flip the printer to place the power supply unit. I just slide it in place and I push it all the way down. As you can see, it stays in place and no screw is needed. I connect the power supply. Now I'm going to connect the power button I put at the front. In the description you will see the link to the video. I'm going to use these clips for cable management. I slide it on the frame. I add another one here. I put back the feet. And this is the job. As you can see, it's in place and very nice. Here it is. can see it doesn't block the cables. This is all for this new version of the power supply unit bottom mount. If the video was helpful to you, please like it and share it, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for further videos. Thank you for watching.